Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing this crazy pantry transformation. I know you guys are gonna love the ending to this video. If you are new here, we just moved into our home and our pantry is a hot mess. So if you are here for some pantry motivation, this video is for you. I am going to be removing everything from the pantry to start, and I'm also going to be putting everything that I have that I'm going to use for the pantry on a separate place table so that I can get everything ready to go.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah, but who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. Thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm.
After everything is removed from the pantry, I'm going to vacuum any little pieces, and I'm also going to wipe down and clean all the surfaces just to give it a really good scrub. I didn't realize how much this pantry needed that until I started, and I'm so glad I did.
Patience. No one loves me like I love myself. Don't attempt to elevate this shit. I'm wandering from messing up. It goes so fast. 1 second I am dancing in your arms. The next one we were kissing in your car, and I am hitting rewind. Make it last. 1 minute we were perfect in your bed. The next one you were local with something I wish I never said. Ah damn, you got me feeling high on life, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. You make me blow like dynamite, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only
Next, I'm going to be adding these glass sauces into a container. And before we start with all the containers, I want to let you guys know to give yourself some grace because it took me a long time to grow my collection of plastic containers and things to organize with. I know it can be kind of unaffordable to get items like this. So some of the things you'll see in here, I did get from Dollar Tree. I did get some from Costco and just things I've accumulated over time. But don't go out and buy all this stuff if you don't have the money for it. It's truly not worth it. You can really utilize what you have instead of going out and spending a lot of money. This took me around 6 months to really, save up for all of this. So I just want to let you guys know that before we get started. And I don't want to discourage you into doing your pantry because you can really do so much with what you have at home or with nothing at all. You really can just make it clean and put together. So next I'm going to be adding all of my little spices and flours and pancake mixes into containers into the pantry and making it aligned nice and pretty.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. A little
If you are new here, I have 3 littles, 4 years old and under, and I did film this while watching them. So this was an all-day event, you guys. If you're planning on doing your pantry, please know that it will take a long time. It took me a lot longer than I expected, but I must say it was really rewarding, and I'm really happy that now I will never have to do it to this extreme again. I can just add to it or switch out things, and it'll be a lot easier than when I first started. I found these really cool can organizers from Walmart recently, and I got 2 of them to try it out, and I am gonna go back and get some more. It was so cool. They work so well, and I just want to share that product with you guys because I know you will love it too. They didn't send it to me. I went out and bought it. I'm just giving you my honest review of it, but how pleasing is it to see all these different little pastas in mason jars? Oh my gosh, my favorite part of the pantry. These white bins are from Dollar Tree. They're only $1, and if you've been here for a while, you've seen me utilize these all around the house. They are so good. So go to Dollar Tree, check out their organizers. You will love them. They have so many good things, and I'm also going to be putting paper towels in bins. I think that'll be so aesthetically pleasing to the eye, as well as my water in bins and a really cool IKEA basket. So I thought this would be really useful and cute here. If you see my last video, I decluttered a lot of the kids' toys, which gave me a little bit more room for empty baskets, which really was cool because I was able to utilize them in my pantry. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look so far. What a transformation. I cannot believe how much open space I have, how everything just looks so beautiful where it's meant to be, and everything is a lot clearer. We can see what we have. We know what there is in the pantry now, and everything is easier to get to. I am so pleased, and I know my family is going to be so thankful for this, and so am I, because it was so needed. So if you need your push to get your pantry in order, girl, do it. You will feel so much better. You will feel like, yes, my life is in order. My pantry is in place. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching this far. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts, what you think, and I will see you guys in a new video on Friday. Bye.